Nyarutarama Business Incubation Center started with an intention of trying to create jobs for the youth, for the Rwandan youth. We have several courses around. We have bakery, we have juice processing, we have tomato ketchup processing, we do edible oil processing, we make chips, we have tailoring and fashion designing, we have air condition and refrigeration repairing. There are several, there are about 14. So what is available with us is the machinery. We have the machines, we have the workshops. So whoever comes up with a project of generating his or her own income, we allow him or her to access the machinery, make the products, take them outside, sell, then buy his or her own consumables.
Impamvu nahisemo kuza kwiga muri kino kigo nari nabonye hari imyuga kugira ngo mbone ubumenyi ngiro bwazamfasha mu minsi iri imbere kubona barwiyemezamirimo.
For a student to be competent enough, one would estimate 6 months. The first 3 months would be for the training, theory and practicals. Then the last 3 months, we call them the incubation period. What is promising is that they themselves have generated their own income. So whenever they start training, we encourage them to contribute something small. For the 6 months, somebody is saving some retro money. So at the end, the retro they have generated, the retro they have saved is the one they start doing their small businesses. When our students finish training, first of all, we help them to make their own project proposals. We have helped them to submit them to BDF. We have helped them to join SACCO, where they can get money, the resources. That's one way we helped them so that it could be a long-term process. Our key sponsor is WDA, the Workforce Development Authority. WDA organizes the funds. They also bring on board some institutions, some NGOs like National Employment Program, who come in to support us also.
National Employment Program, it has missions to provide a framework for coordination of employment initiatives across the country for capacity building, where we have the rapid response trainings. The government plans to have a knowledge-based economy.
This is a new concept. Business incubation centers haven't been established yet. This is one of the first ones. So what we do is to train thoroughly well. People go on the job market, they get jobs, they do businesses. So if their brothers and sisters see them successful, see them changed, that would be a best strategy to steer them, those who have not been trained here, to convince them that there is a possibility, there is a way that one could get a better life than what he or she has been going through. So the impact is quite evident also.
When you look at the incubations, especially Nyarutarama Incubation Center is making good progress because people are acquiring skills needed for labor market. They become good entrepreneurs.